So hello dear students, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I am going to show you the demo of my self-driving car project today. So this first video will be on demo, like how our model and car runs. Okay? So I will let you know the process of connecting my train model to the Udacity simulator and getting the car to drive autonomously. So let's get started. So opening the Udacity simulator. So let's open the Udacity simulator and setting it to autonomous mode. As you can see, I am setting it to autonomous mode. Here we can see that the car in its environment, it's not moving yet because I have not connected it to our train model that I have trained. Okay, so let's connect this to our train model. So for this, wait a second, let me go back. So for this I have to, as you can see, this is my drive.py file. Okay, in this I have written all the codes to connect it with the Udacity simulator. It contains our train model. Okay, so let's run this file. So basically this script is designed to connect the simulator to the train model. It uses the data from simulator, processes it and feeds it into the model, which then controls the car. Okay, so let me show you. As you can see, I have run this code. Now let's again open this Udacity app and let's keep this here. As you can see, it is stated that starting. Okay, so let's open the autonomous mode. Now as you can see, the car is moving now on its own, just because the model is processing the sensor data from the simulator and making real-time decision about the steering speed and direction. As you can see in the back end, the system is processing the data. It takes the camera angle or camera images from the car, runs them through our model, and the outputs control commands to keep the car on the road. That is what allows the car to drive autonomously. So in upcoming video we will learn how to code this car. So please make sure to subscribe our channels.